Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional business email using your own domain name on Hostinger. This is essential for businesses, portfolios, freelancers, agencies, basically anyone who wants to look professional online. And the best part is Hostinger gives you a free professional email service with their hosting plans, and you can set it up within minutes. No technical skills requirements. To follow this tutorial, you will only need a domain name, any Hostinger web hosting plan, that's it. So after logging into your hosting dashboard, you will land on this home page, and after that you will have to navigate to this email section where you can select your domain name and you can land on this page. Alright, so after this page you can see that I have already created two email addresses. These are no reply at login at learnweb.academy, and this is the second one that I regularly use, that is hello at learnweb.academy. What I will do is that I will create one more email that will be support at learnweb.academy. So let's go to mailboxes and choose this button, create a mailbox, and let's write support here, and this will be support at LearnWeb Academy. Alright, so let's just let's just do a password on this, and alright, so this is our password. So as you can see, our mailbox is created. Now if you want to log in into the browser, so you can just use this option to log in into your browser. Okay, so now let's just log in. Okay, the password isn't correct. I think I have lost the password. You can just change the password from here. I mean, the password was exposed online, so that was not a recommendation to use. Now let's log in. Alright, so this is where we are. It says that some domain records are missing. Your mail may fail. Okay, let's go through the dashboard first. I think it was correct. It may get out after some time, because I've already tested it with the other email addresses. No issues with that. You can just ignore this. And that's how you can create a professional business email using our domain in the Hostinger panel. And if you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.